What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. Hope everybody's doing well, taking care of themselves, had a good weekend. This is going to be the Forex analysis for May the 3rd, 2021. So yeah, you know how it goes, quick and concise. Let's go through the pairs. Also, I don't know any other pairs you guys really trade. I just go to the ones that I do. But if there's any other trades you want me to go over for the week, I don't mind adding, whether that's GJ or UChef, GA, something. Just let me know. It's no big deal. So yeah, I didn't do one last night just because I know doing the big weekly analysis is a big deal in Forex, especially on YouTube. But Mondays is not a day to trade for real, because there's really no confirmation. There's times where the market lines up and it does what I wanted to do on Monday, but a lot of times like today, it pretty much didn't do what I wanted to do, and honestly there was really no reason to trade because there was really nothing confirmed, you know. So let's go through gold. So gold's looking lovely for today. We should see further bullishness going forward. Hopefully we can break out of this range finally. So it's been hitting this price point here for a minute. So hopefully we can get to 1800, and then next stop's going to be right here. So definitely going to look for bullish moves going into Tuesday. Let's hop over to the H1. So you can see right here we had a nice move, nice low today. W broke out of consolidation, went all the way up, pushed up, and we got these equal highs right here. A lot of people are probably going to sell as resistance, especially with it bouncing off the daily so many times. But the way we do it is we try to do the opposite of the retail think. So everybody's selling, what are we trying to do? Especially with this large engulfing candle, we're looking to buy. So where are we going to buy at, right? So let's bring our fib out, and I'm gonna do it from this low right here. I think that was Monday. So low to the current high. I always go to the current high. It can change, but right now we do that. Let's go to the M15. We're definitely gonna look for a retracement. If we can get something in the equilibrium to buy zone area, so somewhere in here, it's going to be our move, whether we get a W, stop hunt, railroad track, quarter wood, any entry signal to get us in. I usually 90% of the time I'm trading gold in New York. That's just where I feel the big moves happen. Like this was London. Asia. This was London. It moved, but then, we really got the big pushes in New York. So definitely looking forward to do the same thing. We're looking for a low to a high, like I said, somewhere in here. W would be nice, and then a shoot up. Okay, so definitely make sure you got your fib settings. I said this before, but it's gonna keep you guys out of a lot of bad trades. So make sure you're using the fib settings. I always say, if you don't know where it's at, check my previous video and get those fib settings so you can be good to go as far as setting up your fib range. Okay, all right, so that's gold. We're looking for buys. Let's go over to EU and daily. We were making a swing high right here. I did say in the quick thoughts that I put in the group on Sunday that it was still unconfirmed. So what do I mean by that? When you have a swing high, you have a lower high to the left, a lower high to the right, or a lower low to the left, lower low to the right. Excuse me. And you need the fourth candle to break this bar. So I needed this to really trade through and hold. At that point, we had downside targets right here and here to go. So there's really no confirmed bias on this. It's still a buy in my opinion, just because we've been trading. It's been a bull run for the whole entire month. So we just got a small retracement, get the trailing stops out of there and whatnot, and now we're back to buys, right? So right here, another lower high, and if we go to the H1, we can see we got a move off the low of the day again. That was right here. So we're still aiming for, we got some targets right here actually as well. You can see the wicks. It looks better if I was on H4, but we got some wicks right here and right here. Okay, so I don't like too many lines, but yeah, that's what we're looking for. M15 wise, same thing as usual. We're looking for a stop hunt low. Actually, I'm gonna change the range. That was Friday. I apologize. So here's the range for tomorrow. So let's zoom in. And same thing. This is a nice tight Asia box. This is gonna be nice. So we're definitely looking for a move where, per usual, in our buy zone and low risk buy zone, right in here. Same thing I always say: W, railroad track, stop hunt, anything like that to give us a signal. And like I done in previous videos, once you get in these areas, you want to hone down on the M5 and the M1, and you want to look for breaks of structure. So imagine this, right? This is a perfect example. So we got, you know, like a downtrend right here, pretty much. However you want to draw it, doesn't matter. So let's say the price was in our buy zone and low risk buy zone. We want to look for a move above this area to break structure. At that point, you know, make sure it lines up with the M15 where you're at on the chart, and then take your entry there. That's going to give you a tight stop loss, and then you just put your stop loss like underneath here or something. So for example purposes, that would be like 7-8 pips, which is not bad at all. Okay. All right, so EU looking for buys just because it's been on buys the whole entire month. We're not gonna get scared of the retracement, and yeah, just look for price to get into the area and take a shot. Okay, GU. This is, like I said, this is why I don't like trading Mondays, because look at this strong candle just like EU, but then what happened? Strong retracement right back up. So a lot of people sold right in here. They got a lot of people. I don't expect them to come down for that right now. So once again, same thing as EU. There's a swing high forming, but it wasn't confirmed because of this candle. Just held this low. It went right back up. So we still have a bunch of liquidity right here at the 1.401226. So I'm definitely looking for price to get up here. It'd be nice if we can finally get above it. But yeah, we have a lot of targets after that as well. So you know, there's definitely places for price to go. So anyways, strong move up. I don't see why I wouldn't be bullish for tomorrow as well. And nothing's confirmed, but just off of this, it's been a bull run the whole time, right? So this has been a bull the whole time. Okay. So H1, just looking at structure, really no structure here. It's been bouncing around in this range for a good minute. You can see just up, down, up, down, up, down. That's why you want to use the daily, so you can see the volume of the candles, and also if you get any confirmed swing highs or swing lows, that's a good way to get your bias together as well. But tomorrow I am going to be looking for bullish moves. We are looking to get above here, and then ultimately, you know, our TP2 would be right here. Okay, M15 for our range, current high, current low. Same thing as always. We're looking for price to get in the buy zone or low risk buy zone. Equilibrium is okay. I'm not gonna tell people not to take it, but you need to see, I need to see a strong pattern, or I need to see like price really holding like right here, because a lot of times they'll break that support and just drop to a buy zone and then move up. But you just gotta use your judgment. You're never gonna be 100% right, but all you can do is use your confluences and, you know, take price in the correct levels and hope that goes your direction, knowing that your bias is correct. Okay, so that's gonna be it, guys. Not too much more else I need to go over. I know my analysis is pretty simple, but there's a lot that goes into it. I just like to keep it concise so you guys can apply it and then profit during the week. So I'm gonna try, if I can, to throw a few signals out there this week if I see any that are strong enough to give you guys. So I might do that just to say thank you. I know we had a few people join the group, so thank you to you guys. I do appreciate everybody. I know we're a small group, but definitely appreciate everybody. Also, I may open up the group just for more conversation, just so everybody can go over their analysis and talk freely. So I might do that here soon. Once we get enough members, maybe like in the 30s or something, I might do that. But that's going to be it. Hope you guys enjoy your night, your morning, wherever you are. Let me know how you're doing too, if this is helping you. Like I said, if there's any pairs you guys want me to go over, let me know in the comments or send me a message on Telegram, send me an email, anything like that, okay? But that's going to be it. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe if it's your first time here. I would greatly appreciate it. And that's going to be it. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.